everyone. Here is day one of officially racing at Global Time Attack. I guess it's day 2 for me. It is Saturday. I'm gonna be heading out first in Group 4. I've been posting my times and whatnot if you guys want to watch live on Instagram and stuff like that. But here in the Polestar, definitely nervous. Definitely nervous. Have to remind myself, can't win it on the first time out there. But I've also met some really cool people, also some people that I work next to. So we've got Auto Fashions, Honda Civic Type R over here, and then flying solo right over here, who's currently out on track in their Spoon Honda Accord / TSX. So here we go, gonna jump in the car, enjoy. Alright guys, first session done. Definitely nervous out there, and cold tires did not help. Went off on my first hot lap, but got a 205.39 to start the day off, so definitely room for improvement from yesterday, but just have to shake the nerves, you know? So that's how that round went. Alright, getting ready for round 2. Definitely had a lot of nerves that first round in cold tires, but everything's up to temp now. I know there's time to be had, seeing that I did a 205. So let's jump to that. You're just gonna get the view from next to me, and that'll be that, because I'm trying to save battery life right now with 3 days out here. Alright, session 2 done, and dropped 2 tires in a couple sections, and have learned I have to come in for even just dropping 2 tires, even though reading the rule book it said I didn't have to do that. But 205.4, I was a little over pushing in some areas. I just have to be smooth, and I think I'm letting the nerves and the competition get to me. I'm just gonna treat this like a regular track day, and that's usually how I get my best time. So I'm gonna do the same thing with that mindset going forward. We're gonna have some lunch, and then we'll get back out there for round 3. Well, I have no idea how fast I did because I haven't checked yet. But I will say that was my, so far, favoriteest, most fun run. Especially with the Spoon Honda Accord behind me. It's always fun to have competitiveness, even if I went off track there. But by all means, I was truly pushing it. And these brakes are slightly smoky. When I had to pull in afterwards, we had a small brake fire. But as you can see, nice and steamy. Nice and hot, using them exactly how they're supposed to be. So I'm gonna check the times and update you on how I did. Okay, so it looks like I got a 204.9, which is an improvement. I'm no longer in the 205s. If you guys saw or were watching, the Spoon car I was pretty much going head to head with in my rear view mirror. You probably saw him pass me. He was pushing me through that lap, and going through Phil's Hill, my front tire is just absolutely greased out. And I went to turn, and it did not turn. So, but projection on that was a 202. So if I can get a steady lap like that one, I'm looking closer to getting to that 2-minute mark. So again, these tires are my limiting factor because they're great for a little bit, but because of the weight of the car, them heating up, they are still a street tire, and they're a 255. So struggle is real, but improving. Hey everyone, it is Sunday now, Sunday morning, and this would have been day 2 of racing, or day 3 out here at Button Willow. And I'm calling it, it's done. So I'm gonna show you why. My front driver wheel got quite the pounding, and it is pretty bent, out of shape. And seeing as this is my only set of wheels, yes, I have more tires, I'm gonna call it that just for safety. I'm a little sad, but this wheel is definitely taking a beating, front and rear. You can see some there. And I just discovered this morning, so it is what it is. So as many times as I went off the track yesterday, it was bound to happen. It's all right. Just having some issues with my trailers anyway with the lights, so at least I don't have to worry about that. I get to drive home in the daytime. So gonna go ahead and pack up, get my photos of the yesterday, and I'll see you guys on the next show, next video. All right, bye.